Hello, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be doing some handbrake shoes on the Skyline. Already have got the one side on. Thought I'd have a go and see how I could do it. Get on. So we got them on alright. So it's putting the shoes onto the handbrake line first, then put them on, holding them in with these springs and clips. And then once you've got that on, you put the spring in here and the adjuster, and then after you've done that, you've got to put the springs in up here as well, and then that should hold it on, ready to go. So I'll record doing the other side and show you what's what. Yeah, so we're on the other side of the car now. It looks like I haven't got a lot of room. That's because we haven't got a lot of room. I'll show you. Not that you can see, but I'm going to lie. This is the room we're working with, and here we are on the other side. So it focuses in, there we go. So let's get these done. So let's see what's in the bitwork box. This is all the bits I've got to work with. We have the first bit of the shoe, second bit of the shoe, we've got a bag of springs and clips and adjuster, and what we need to put these on. Let's do the first bit. Shoe with the arm. You've got your spring for your handbrake cable here. That spring pulls back. You just want to get it into here so the shoe can sit on. Pull the spring back, get it over. That sits in there. And then get your shoe up to here. Then you want to get your first little spring. Let that hang for a minute. Done. Little spring. This little pin thing with the looks like a nail, but kind of not. And the little hat for it. Just put and then there onto the spring. You should end up with that. Put that into there. Feel it go in. Yeah. Now I need a screwdriver. Push it through and turn it horizontal, and that's just what I do. Hold it in like that. Now I've got to do the side on. You didn't see very well that last time. Get your spring, your little thing on top, push that nail looking thing through. There you have that. And now it just wants to go into this hole, so when you push it in and you twist it, stops it coming out. So grab your shoe again, sit it under there, and then like the other side. Push it through, turn horizontal. There you have it. So once you get them on, you want to grab this little bracket and this looking clip, and that goes on this side like this, and then this wants to sit this way around, so your spring is on the opposite side to your shoe that the handbrake line went into. And there's like two little grooves just in here, one on each side, so that just sits in there. A bit fiddly, so I'll skip this little bit. Hopefully you can see, there it is, just down in here, sitting nicely in there. Next up down the bottom, got this little spring and a little adjuster. So this bit doesn't have threads, that just sits in there, and when you turn that, because that's holding it, pushes them out a little bit more. Just got to try and get these in now. So I like to do it up that way, down to loosen them in. And finally we got him in. If you know, you know. This is a ball ache to do. Got to hold the top, sit this little guy in, and then get the spring on top. And obviously the spring stops it from self-adjusting as well. Nightmare. But we're on. I can do the top springs and then they're all back together. So we get to that bit now. Don't mind this bit, to be fair. Gotta get this little guy here. He goes this way up. You sit him just onto there. And then got your two springs here. And there you go into the hole there and on, and into the hole there and on. And your spring needs to go down into this hole here. Then grab your pliers, pull it up over there. Whoop, I don't know where you went then. Yeah, on the, need some brute force on that. And then your next one, into your hole there. And same again, stretch that onto there with your pliers. Just like that. There you have it. All of it together. It's good to go back over here, but shoe on first with your handbrake line, in with your little spring on that. Then round, get the other side on. Then into there and put that little clip in with the spring on. Then underneath to do that bit. So the ball ache is this bit in here. And then finish it off. Just top bit on and the springs. And then should be all good to go. So I'm going to get the discs. Here we are, back with the disc. I have to use the old disc that came with it because I'm still waiting for the new disc to come, which is a bit unfortunate, but you gotta do what you gotta do, haven't you? So here's the old disc. So just get it so that goes down to there. And there we have it. We've got the disc on. I've got the wheels on actually now. Should be a pretty cool milestone to get to. So here's the wheels. So Inkies. Let's get them put on. So that's the wheels back on. Got a lot of adjusting to do. Got some DeLorean camber going on. You can see, funny angle. Oh, that's the Yankees on. GK take lug nuts. Open-ended for the longer wheel studs too. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching. I'll hopefully next time I'll be able to get the Skyline on the floor, maybe even outside for a quick wash. A bit of a wash down and that. So thanks for watching.